Most people think worsening eyesight is simply an unavoidable part of getting older. But what if some of the changes happening inside your eyes every single day could be slowed by nutrients found in ordinary seeds that most people never think about? Your eyes are among the hardest working organs in your body. From the moment you wake up until you go to sleep, millions of delicate cells work continuously to help you read, recognize the faces of loved ones, drive safely, and enjoy the world around you. Yet year after year, these remarkable cells are exposed to sunlight, blue light, oxidative stress, and the natural wear that comes with aging. At first, the changes are so gradual that many people hardly notice them. Your eyes may feel dry by the evening. Reading a favorite book or a restaurant menu becomes more difficult. Driving after sunset feels less comfortable than it used to. Bright headlights seem harsher, and your eyes take longer to adjust when you walk into a dark room. It's easy to assume these changes are simply part of getting older, but nutrition scientists continue to discover that. The foods we eat provide many of the nutrients our eyes rely on every day to help maintain healthy tear production, retinal function, healthy circulation, and protection against everyday oxidative stress. In today's video, you'll discover 3 remarkable seeds that researchers have studied for their unique benefits for aging eyes. Each one supports your vision in a completely different way. The third may help keep your eyes comfortable and well lubricated. The second contains a mineral your retina depends on for seeing in dim light. Make sure you stay until the end, because the last seed is the one almost nobody talks about when discussing eye health. Let's begin with the third seed, flax seeds. Have your eyes ever felt perfectly fine in the morning, only to become dry, tired, or gritty by the evening, as if a tiny grain of sand were trapped inside them? For many adults over 60, that's one of the earliest signs that their eyes are changing. Reading becomes less enjoyable, watching television feels more tiring, and even a light breeze or an air-conditioned room can leave the eyes feeling irritated. Most people reach for eye drops, but what if the real problem isn't on the surface of your eyes? What if it starts much deeper? Scientists searching for answers kept noticing one group of nutrients appearing again and again: omega-3 fatty acids. Surprisingly, one of the richest plant sources isn't found in an expensive supplement. It's found in a tiny seed that's probably already sitting in your kitchen. Flax seeds, although small enough to fit on the tip of a spoon. Flax seeds are naturally rich in alpha-linolenic acid, or ALA, a plant-based omega-3 fat, while only a small portion is converted into EPA and DHA. Studies continue to explore how regularly eating flax seeds may help support eye comfort and a healthy tear film. Here's what makes that so important. Most people think tears are simply water. They're not. Every blink spreads an incredibly thin protective layer across the surface of your eyes. Think of it as a crystal clear shield that keeps your eyes smooth, nourished, and comfortable while helping wash away tiny particles before they cause irritation. As we age, that delicate tear film can become less stable. Hormonal changes, certain medications, medical conditions, and daily exposure to wind, air conditioning, or digital screens can all reduce its quality. When that happens, the eyes may sting, burn, feel gritty, or become unusually sensitive to light. Research suggests that omega-3 fats may help maintain the normal inflammatory balance involved in keeping this protective tear film healthy. Rather than simply masking discomfort for a few hours, regularly eating omega-3 rich foods may help support the tissues responsible for producing healthy tears. But healthy fats aren't the only reason flax seeds deserve a place in your diet. They're also rich in lignin's natural antioxidants that help protect cells from everyday oxidative stress, along with fiber, magnesium, and other nutrients that support overall health. One simple tip can make a big difference. Choose ground flax seeds instead of whole ones whenever possible. Whole seeds often pass through the digestive system without fully breaking down, while grinding them helps your body absorb more of their valuable nutrients. Stir 1 or 2 tablespoons into oatmeal, yogurt, smoothies, or sprinkle them over salads after preparing your meal. Number 2, pumpkin seeds. Have you ever been driving home just after sunset and suddenly realized something didn't feel the same? The road hasn't changed, your glasses haven't changed, yet the street signs seem harder to read, headlights appear much brighter, and your eyes need a few extra seconds to adjust whenever you step from a bright room into the dark. For many adults over 60, this is one of the earliest vision changes they notice. Most people simply blame aging, but researchers discovered that part of this process also depends on a mineral many people don't get enough of. What's surprising is where you'll find it, not in an expensive supplement, but in a simple handful of pumpkin seeds. These small green seeds are one of nature's richest plant sources of zinc, a mineral that quietly performs one of the most important jobs inside your eyes. Here's why. Imagine trying to switch on a flashlight without batteries. No matter how well it's made, it can't produce light without its power source. Your retina works in a surprisingly similar way. Zinc helps transport vitamin A from the liver into the retina, where it's converted into visual pigments that allow you to see in dim light. Without enough zinc, this process becomes less efficient. While many factors influence vision as we age, maintaining healthy zinc intake is considered an important part of supporting normal retinal function. That's why eye researchers have studied zinc for decades. Large clinical studies have identified it as one of the key nutrients involved in maintaining healthy retinal function. Although no single food can prevent age-related eye conditions, zinc remains an important part of a balanced diet for long-term eye health. But pumpkin seeds offer much more than zinc. They also provide magnesium, copper, iron, healthy unsaturated fats, and natural antioxidants that help protect cells from everyday oxidative stress, while supporting healthy blood vessels and normal nerve function. Choose raw or dry roasted, unsalted pumpkin seeds whenever possible. Sprinkle a small handful over oatmeal, yogurt, salads, or steamed vegetables, or enjoy them as a satisfying afternoon snack. Number 1, sunflower seeds. What if one of the biggest threats to your eyesight wasn't something you could see, but something that's quietly happening inside your eyes every single day? You can't feel it, you can't see it, and it doesn't happen overnight. Instead, it works silently for years. Scientists call this process oxidative stress. Imagine tiny sparks landing on the same wooden fence every single day. One spark causes almost no damage, neither do 100. But after years of constant exposure, those tiny sparks slowly begin to weaken the wood. Something surprisingly similar happens inside your eyes. From the moment you wake up until you go to sleep, millions of retinal cells work nonstop to convert light into the images your brain recognizes as vision. But producing all of that energy creates unstable molecules known as free radicals. When we're younger, our bodies usually keep them under control. As we age, however, those natural defenses gradually become less efficient, allowing oxidative stress to place increasing pressure on the delicate cells responsible for clear vision. That's why nutrition scientists have become so interested in one remarkable nutrient, vitamin E. And one of the easiest ways to get it is from a simple handful of sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds are among the richest natural food sources of vitamin E, a powerful fat-soluble antioxidant. But vitamin E doesn't simply circulate through your bloodstream. It actually becomes part of your cells. Think of it as a microscopic shield built into the outer layer of your retinal cells, helping protect them from oxidative damage before it spreads. This matters because the light-sensing cells in your retina contain large amounts of healthy fats that are especially vulnerable to oxidation. Helping defend these cells is considered an important part of supporting healthy vision as we age. Large nutrition and ophthalmology studies consistently identify vitamin E as one of the key nutrients involved in maintaining normal retinal function. Just one small handful of sunflower seeds provides about 7.4 milligrams of vitamin E, along with selenium, magnesium, copper, healthy unsaturated fats, and other beneficial plant compounds. Here's one simple tip. Choose raw or dry roasted, unsalted sunflower seeds whenever possible. Sprinkle them over yogurt, oatmeal, salads, or steamed vegetables for an easy way to add more vitamin E to your meals. Your eyesight is precious, and the small choices you make each day can help support healthy vision as you age. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more science-backed health tips, and let us know in the comments, which of these seeds do you already eat? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.